Can I really start an affiliate marketing business from scratch in 20 minutes? I know it sounds unrealistic, but with the AI tools that we have today, I decided to challenge myself and do it in front of you in this video. Here is my plan and the things that I will need to build here. 1. Find the most efficient and fast way to create content promoting my affiliate links. 2. Launch a website to be the home base for all my affiliate links. And 3. Set up a free traffic source for my affiliate business. Since you are new to affiliate marketing, you need to first understand which niches are the most profitable. And here's a study that I found by Authority Hacker. You can see here the breakdown of average monthly affiliate income by niche, and the top 5 niches are education and e-learning. That's over $15,000 per month on average. Travel niche, $13.8 thousand per month. Beauty and skincare, $12.4 thousand a month. Finance, $9,000 a month, and technology on average $7,000 per month. And if you're wondering why is it so high specifically in education and e-learning, well, that's because many online courses cost over $1,000 per sale, and commissions in this niche usually are very high, between 30 and 40%, sometimes even 50%, so you could be making several $100s for each online course that you help sell. And you didn't have to create the course or do any work to support the customers. It's all done by the product creator. With that said, this niche can be more competitive than others, and it can be harder to create content reviewing some educational programs. But I want you to keep this high-priced product type in mind when you think about any niche, to be honest, because you want to make higher commissions to get to your goal of what we're talking about, $10,000 per month faster. So you will be better off selling products that cost at least $200 or $300 and above that. I just recently watched this video by Alex Hormozy, and his main motto is sell to the rich. This means that you will make more money from fewer conversions if you're targeting an audience that wants those more pricey products. That should be always on your mind when you're picking products to promote as an affiliate, no matter what niche you choose. For today's challenge, I decided to go with beauty and fashion niche, and we will target the luxury segment in this niche. Remember, sell to the rich. Before I move to creating content, there is one more step that you cannot miss. Sign up for an Amazon Associates account, because it is the biggest marketplace, so you can find products for any niche there, and it only takes about 5 minutes to sign up. I've already done that, so here is my affiliate ID. Just copy this because we will need it on the next step, which is step number 2, generate content fast with AI. So on this step, I would definitely use this super page feature just released on my favorite SEO content writing tool. Since I was going to mention it anyway, I contacted them and they kindly sponsored this part of the video. So if you're following me and you want to try it out, just create a free account with SEO Writing AI. You will find the link to it in the description below. Just click sign up, enter your name, your email, and your password. You can try it with a free plan, no credit card required, so you can start using it immediately. Once you're in, go to the super page and it will create for you a full page with call to action buttons. This is where you will place your affiliate links, and it will be based on the top competitors that are already ranking on Google for this topic. What I mean here is that they have already done all the research and they added a bunch of products that are likely the most profitable to promote on this particular topic. So you don't even need to go through their sites and check manually which products they mention. AI will analyze all of this for you. I will just type in here a simple prompt in my natural human language, something like create a comparison of top 10 trending luxury summer dresses. Include a table, rating reviews, if possible, pros and cons, and Amazon affiliate links with a format of, you see here, amazon.com/ and then mention your ID. And that's where we need to copy the ID, right? And prominent buy now call to action buttons under each product and highlight an editor's choice recommendation. You can, by the way, rewatch this part of the video if you want to maybe copy and use the same prompt for your blog posts. Just don't forget to change the topic and the affiliate ID to yours. The tool will take a few minutes, so I'll just go have a cup of tea and check my email later. Alright, the article is ready with all the product photos, comparison tables, review cards, with my affiliate links on buy buttons. Gosh, it has everything that I asked for, but I really didn't expect that it will look so professional and beautiful. It would take me hours and hours of work if I tried to build a page like this manually on WordPress. And the post is already optimized for SEO at such a high score of 85 out of 100. You could actually leave it as it is because it's a really good score out of the gate. But I would just update here the year. But even if you get a bit lower score on your article for SEO, what I like in this tool is that it gives you quick instructions on what you need to improve. So just click here on the right column and check some suggested H2 subheadings, start from this, then check keywords and meta tags that you might want to add to the article to improve SEO. Then all we have to do is just click publish, and here you will need to select your blog. I already have my main blog here, but this is a brand new affiliate business that I'm building with you. So we're moving to the next step. I need a new WordPress blog, and I will connect SEO Writing AI with this new blog in a few clicks through their seamless integration. But before I go there, if you want to generate articles like this one in no time, you can sign up for SEO Writing AI for free using the first link in the description below. And if you are ready to try all of their features, don't forget to use my coupon code Anastasia25 for 25% off. Okay, our next step is to create a website with AI. And here I will go with this AI WordPress builder. At this time, I find it is the most affordable and fast way to start a WordPress site. But first, why WordPress, right? Because it is the most widely used CMS, content management system, in the world. It has the biggest number of integrations and plugins for every tool that you will need in your journey in the future. But let me show you how quickly you can build this website. So to get started, go to hostinger.com/Anastasia and use my name as a coupon to get an extra 10% off. The plans on Hostinger are about the price of a cup of coffee per month. On this step, please pay close attention because for what we're building today, an affiliate marketing blog, it is best to go with WordPress installation option and not the Hostinger's website builder. And Hostinger already has a WordPress AI builder, and later on you will see affiliate marketing tools inside of this option. So first click to install WordPress and then choose to create this site with AI. Now on the next step you will be prompted to choose a domain name for your blog. By the way, with Hostinger you get this domain name for free for the first year. So you can do some research and find a domain name right here. But if you're not sure and you didn't do any research in advance, don't worry, you can skip the step for now. You will still have an option to use your free domain name later in your Hostinger account. For now, just click here to use temporary domain. And then your WordPress installation will start. It will take a couple of minutes, so I will just speed up this part in the video. And now we need to install SEO Writing AI WordPress plugin, and just in a few clicks you will create this integration. All I need to do next is go back to the article and click publish. And boom, it goes right to my blog, and I chose to post it first as a draft so I can make sure that everything looks good before I make it live. Now my next step in this business is to start getting free traffic from Pinterest. Because there are many different platforms that you can use to drive free traffic to your site, and most people would probably think of Google. It's the first thing that comes to your mind because it is the biggest search engine. But honestly, Google SEO needs more time than my favorite platform, Pinterest. When I just started about 7 years ago, I used to do everything on Pinterest manually. But if I was starting today, I would definitely use AI for this step as well. And before I would, create a pin on Canva, then upload the image on Pinterest native scheduler, write for it the pin title and description. And if you do this for one pin, it doesn't look hard at all, right? But the thing is, to achieve something serious on Pinterest, you need to post multiple pins per day. So when you're starting out, you can make, say, 3 to 5 pins per day, but as your account grows, you will likely need to post up to, say, 20 pins per day. Yes, 20, you heard it right. But don't freak out yet, because with AI, as I promised, you can do this easily with no hassle. I use Block-to-Pin as my pin generator and Pinterest scheduler. And it works great for pages like this one that we just built with SEO Writing AI, because it already has a lot of images inside. So I just will submit my sitemap, I add a few of my favorite Canva templates, and now Block-to-Pin goes on autopilot and generates 15 to 20 pins per day for my website. Its AI generates pins with a text overlay, and it actually makes this text on the pins. It pulls the images from the article pages, and it even automatically finds the most relevant Pinterest board for each pin to be saved. It also generates pin title, description, and even alt text, and schedules pins from the same page URL with a safe 7-day interval. All I need to do is check the pins and approve them, or I can of course still edit the pin if something looks off, or simply reject it. And that's how I spent about an hour per month to manage a schedule that includes about 600 pins for a whole month upfront. If you want to learn in detail about this method of creating pins with AI, check my video linked up there, and I'll see you in the next one.